So you guys are super excited, right? It's time to remote tune your car and you're wondering how that works. Well, I'm gonna show you how to tune your car remotely without messing it up. Let's dive into it, let's get it done. Now you guys just open your package and I know you're excited, but please, we need to follow these instructions very closely. You have your remote tuning cable, do not plug that in just yet. And then you have the QR code, which you need to scan so you know what to do and how to get scheduled. So let's go ahead and show you. So here's the remote tuning QR. We're gonna go ahead and scan it with our phone. This is gonna bring us to the page. Here's a preview of your destination. Go ahead and just click that. This is where you're gonna want to schedule your tune. You know, obviously if I have no time, because it's January 1st. So from there, you know, go ahead and click that date. We're good to go. You can schedule moving forward. I just press back. Now we have instructions here, which you want to go ahead and give a read, and they'll go over what you want to do to be ready for a remote tuning session. But I'm going to go ahead and show you in live time how this all works. So the first thing you're going to want to do is type in on Google TeamViewer. Enter. Very easy. From here you see TeamViewer. This is a legit website. There's no ads, so don't click an ad. We're gonna click the QuickSupport. Very nice and easy. Because they all want your cookies. Yeah. Either way. Download QuickSupport. Very simple. Click that, guys. Now if you're gonna see up here in the top right, it's fully downloaded. Go ahead and click it. And if you click it and nothing happened, just go right here. I already have TeamViewer installed on the computer, so I'm not going to do anything from here. Now that you guys have it installed, let's go ahead and show you what you're going to send me a picture of so I know how to log into your computer. So now when I asked, provide me with the ID and password, it is right here, ID and password. This is specific to my computer, so now I can actually log into your computer using these credentials. Cool. Now say I'm in your computer and I'm ready to start tuning. Let's go over the next procedure for that. Now that we have our charger plugged in, let's go ahead and connect it up. If you guys remember from my last video, how do you know which one's first? Well, when you have a party, and who do you want to come first? Positive people. Let's go ahead and have your positive terminal first, and then who do you want to show up last, because who likes them anyways? Negative people. There we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn on the machine. You can go to 10 amps or 25. 25 is your battery sucks. 10 amps if you know your battery's pretty solid and you don't wanna cook it. There, now that's on, we are good to start hooking up cables to the car. Now that I'm logged into your laptop and I have full control and I'm setting up the programs, I'm about to briefly tell you to key on, engine off. That is called accessory mode. How does that work? Well, let's show you how it works. Now we're in the car, we're about to put the car in accessory mode. But before you do, just give your car a good old rub and say, it's gonna be okay. We're gonna take care of you, okay? Talk to it nicely. No foot on the brake, okay? We're gonna go ahead and press the start button. Now we are in accessory mode. All your lights are on, your car is not started. Now that you have the car in accessory mode, and you have the battery charger and it's turned on to at least 10 to 20 amps, we are now gonna wait for the A-OK from me to tell you to plug the cable into the car. So imagine I just told you to plug the cable into the car. Please make sure that the cable is plugged into the dongle. Locate your OBD2 connector, which on the Audis, it's right down here. Perfect. Go ahead and plug the USB into the laptop. So here's the cool part of the remote tuning, is I'm tuning your car from my laptop. I'm pretty much doing everything that I would do in a normal shop, except for it's a remote, which makes it nice and convenient. It's done at your house. So let's go over everything. We have the battery charger plugged in, we have the cable plugged in, and we have the car in accessory mode, key on, engine off. You are now ready to load the tune to the car. But don't worry, I'm gonna take care of all of that. I will actually click the buttons, load it up for you so you don't mess it up, and it's the right tune for the car. Moving forward, this is me on my tuning screen. Fast. There we go. It wasn't that simple. There's over 200 maps, so let's just speed that up. Now that I'm gonna load the tune to the car, it is successfully flashed. Let's imagine if it was. Now that I said, file is done and it's loaded, I tell you to key off. Means turn the key off. Very simple. I'm gonna press the button right now. Cool. This is gonna let the car reset. We just pissed off every module. When you flash one module, it tells everyone to shut up. So you're gonna have fault codes in every single module. Do not freak out. It's totally normal. Now that the car is loaded with a tune, let's go ahead and start this thing up. Ooh. Now it's time to go ahead and remove the charger from the car. First you need to do is turn it off. Next thing, if we're at a party, who we want to leave first? Negative people, they suck. Get out of here, please. Positive people, leave last, because you guys are phenomenal. Go ahead and just connect that back up. Let's go ahead and shut the hood. First of all, I love you, car. Please treat me right, and I'll treat you right. I'll take care of you. I love you. See you in a second. Well, what did you guys think? Not as hard as you thought it would be, right? As long as you're following these instructions, guys, it's all gonna go super smooth. So please just stay on process with the step-by-step we have instructed you in the QR code. It's gonna be a flawless transaction. I hope you guys love this video. Comment down below, tell me what you think. If you have any other questions, again, I'm here to answer them. Like always, guys, stay BDT tuned.